Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Inspire 3 2019 release. We'll have that coming right up. I'm going to start the video off with a couple of disclaimers. First is there is no information on the FCC grant ID database for an Inspire 3. Second, DJI has not scheduled a release event for the Inspire 3. With that, let's begin. When the Inspire 2 came out, it captured professional cinematographers' attention immediately. Its entry price point of $2,999 plus the camera payload made it an affordable option for aspiring cinematographers. Well, I found out information from an industry insider that DJI will be releasing an Inspire 3 in early 2019, in fact, first quarter of 2019. What I can tell you is this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and also refer, I did do a video on the Inspire 3 earlier this year, and I want you to take a note what they thought that the date was. Now, this information came from a C-Lev, but I'm going to go ahead and stick the card up there so you guys can go ahead and take a look at this. Now, what I did find out from my sources is that DJI Inspire 3 will be smaller than the Inspire 2. It will also feature updated and new technology that will, according to them, blow the Inspire 2 out of the water. Also, you can expect definitely a price increase. Now, based upon the price increase that we saw from the Mavic Pro to the Mavic 2, ranging anywhere from $300 above the Mavic Pro for the zoom and almost $500 for the Mavic 2 Pro, you can expect to see some type of a similar price increase. So I would say that the base price we're probably going to be looking at on the Inspire 3 is going to be around $3,499. Question of the day. Does the Inspire 3 sound like a drone that you'd be interested in purchasing? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.